Let's make the Rum Plutonian. To make this drink, we are going to start with our lime juice. 1/2 an ounce or 15 milliliters of your lime juice into your shaker. Fresh squeezed, of course. And that's it. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of blue curacao. Then 1.5 ounces of your rum. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. And I did put in 2 ounces because I'm going to drink this later. The recipe calls for 1.5 ounces though. Add some ice. Give it a shake. Now I'm going to fill my glass with ice. And this is a Collins or highball. Strain into there. Ooh, that's a beautiful blue color. And we're going to top this off with some tonic water. Normally I use shua pipis, but we're using Fever Tree today. Garnish. The garnish is a lime twist. It's not a twist. Instead, they roll it up really small. Maybe I should have gone horizontal on this. Horizontal or vertical when you do twists, let me know. And then they push a pin through it, or not a pin, but a skewer. See if I die here. There we go. And then you throw it angrily into the drink. I don't know why you're angry, but watch the reel. Oh, and a straw. This just kind of sinks to the bottom. That's clever. Anyway, and there you have it. The Rum Plutonian. Drink with good spirits.